Yes, peeps. This is Sunday afternoon. Welcome to a great adventure. We come back at Ferris River. Yeah, man, we're going to do some curry lamb, pineapple rice. We're going to do some breadfruit salad with potato. Mix up. You don't know what things say. Just stick and stay. You don't reach for the surface. We're there. Rena and the whole team. The rest of the team is on the back. They're forward. So pick up on yourself, please. Welcome back, Chrissy. Chrissy and Brina. So my people, I'll get the rest of stuff them because a good little journey up in the bush just to find the location. Yeah, as you reach on the surface, you know, so I start, no? Yeah, man, so you know, we have to dip fire. I get the fire catch up, so you know, we can late, but they say better to be late than never. So, yeah. The thing start out. Oh, I have to help you for you, no people. What team out, you look at team, let me. You're up there, you like a rope.
Make sure you come in first for the video, for the food.
might have dropped.
What a fool!
Yeah man guys, welcome back to another great video with your boy Caribbean Voice Cooking. So before me even start the video, prior from last week's video, like I see a lot of haters making a lot of comments, a lot of critics. For example, when I was adding the rum in the soursop fish, right? You know, soursop fish is raw because it's like from deep sea, right? So you know, the rum not only help to enhance the flavor, but the rum help to cut the rawness of the fish, yeah. The rawness of the fish. So anybody who can cook supposed to know that, right? Just for example, white wine goes good with beef, right? And the list goes on. It's just like, for example, your sauteing vinegar, dressing, you use vinegar. Yeah. So you understand? So that's why we use the rum, and it's optional if you want to use the rum. So in today's video, as Dad was explaining to you guys, today we're gonna do a curry lamb, pineapple rice, breadfruit with sweet potato salad. So this is how we live when it comes on to cooking. All of these recipes that we are putting out, and you know, these are our daily lifestyle. This is how we eat. So everything what we eat, I will put out to make you guys see it. Understand? So what we are going to do, to get the pineapple rice, I go wash out the pineapple skin, boil the pineapple, so the water won't be natural water again, it will be pineapple water. Then when you boil to perfection, we are going to season up by adding sweet pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, etc. Pepper in a hit. And those are just the thing. And just chop up some pineapple, add in a hit to get an extra strength when it comes on to the pineapple flavor. So that is how we are going to do the pineapple rice. So before further ado, we are going to jump into the video. And we are going to jump into the video by cleaning up the lamb, season up the lamb and make it marinate. Yeah, so before we can season, you know, so cutting up, you know. And lamb is not something that a lot of people in Jamaica fascinate about because it's not really big on our culture like that. But however, I'm a huge fan of lamb.
What that thing?
Lamb.
Yeah.
Goat meat. It's mutton.
Who I eat that?
Who I eat it? But that's what we are
eating.
So this is what we are eating today. Yeah, Team Caribbean Vibes just walking, come.
Check in.
I can make it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'm holding this so deep. Hey boy, where you going?
Taste
Yeah
it.
man, we're up on the vlog. I want to step up on the menu today.
Curry lamb.
Look on the menu. What kind of breadfruit? Roast breadfruit, fried breadfruit. Right.
3, 2, 1, go!
It's a breadfruit make you cold, you know.
Oh,
You don't want too much breadfruit to make you cold, you know, dog.
yeah man, this year there man.
We're here, guys. On the vlog.
Live in living colors.
Live and direct.
Check in. The piece of chocolate gone this morning, we could get the blending. The seasoning, so I get the onion shred, garlic, and ginger. Go on the lamb. From 6 o'clock this morning, call gone.
Yeah.
And I come back here. And if you come in the say 12, and if you come back here also, I get the seasoning cheddar.
You talk up in the microphone, I better warm
Yeah man, I get the seasoning cheddar for season up the lamb. I will never get to blend them, you know, because we normally blend them.
Yeah guys, the man talk like me. How are you about this party, man?
No.
Eh?
Must have left the voice box here.
Must.
I get the skin and cut it. Hey man, so we just have to do rapidly. Done there already? So we are doing rapidly. Caribbean vibes, out.
Yeah, so after cutting up and cleaning, wash with some vinegar, strain off the excess amount of water off of it, add in a clean container. After I smoke a kill man, what kind of fire this I catch up?
Slim catch man.
We're gonna start by adding our shred season, herbs and spice, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper. So we're not gonna make it too spicy because we have kids on the vlog today. Yeah, and for dry season we're gonna add some cracked pimento seed, also some garlic powder, a little black pepper, also some all-purpose season, Eve all-purpose season, Maggi all-purpose season, and some meat season. Alright, so we're rubbing in the dry season. Gonna add some of the curry powder. After done seasoning, you know, leaving the meat to marinate, you know. Man, smell that rasta?
Flavor.
Yes. Smell the rankness in our goat. Yeah, because lamb is goat, you know.
Oh, fat man, I get the price out there. Oh, I think you have one.
Guys, we're gonna add the cooked vegetable oil to burn the curry with the garlic so it can put in the meat.
Yeah, so after the oil hot, I'm just gonna add some chopped garlic, ginger, We're gonna add some curry powder, better pop curry, and that's a curry of our choice, you know. Best curry in Jamaica, best curry in the world, better pop curry. We're just constantly turning it because we don't want the curry along with the ginger and the garlic to burn. So we're burning it just to give it a smooth blend. We're gonna add in the meat. And then cover so the meat can produce its own liquid before adding any water.
Yeah, peeps, so we're going to season up the water for the breadfruit and the potato. We're adding a piece of scallion, a little salt, and a little oil to give the water a little flavor. Yeah. So we're going to make it boil up little and then we put in the breadfruit and the potato. Yeah, peeps, so we're adding the breadfruit and the potato.
Welcome back to my channel, Caribbean Vibes, cooking vlog to the world, boss lady. My God, me have to touch my friend now, I'm see them now. Bless up, sir, bless up. Rasta yard, yeah, the camera, give thanks, man. Call on Jonah.
Uncle.
Sir,
Blessed Caribbean Vibes Vlog cooking team. Yeah, we're out again. One more beautiful day again.
Yes,
Just look and enjoy. Remember, like, share, subscribe at all times, okay?
Come.
yeah, man, Caribbean Vibes to the world. Nice to be back on my channel. Oh my God, I miss you guys.
It's a good look.
It's been a long time, bro.
Yes, bro.
Just remember, subscribe
Yeah.
and like and share. All right.
Kiss ya.
Hi guys.
Come on, I work.
So we're checking on the meat. We're just gonna add some carrot, Irish potato. The lamb is so soft and tender because the lamb keep on producing liquid. Even though I haven't even had not even a cup of water on it. Just a little bit of water on it. Just enough to cover the meat, just enough just to cook the vegetable. Yeah man, so we had made a sweet potato salad on the channel, a breadfruit salad. So now we are going to make a combination of both breadfruit with sweet potato. We're going to add some tomato, chopped tomato, purple scallion, onion, bell pepper. Just going to add a little bit of brown sugar. Some mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We're gonna toss it together.
Watch color, man. Oh my world.
Gonna add a little bit more. We're gonna toss it and taste. Then we add just a little bit of black pepper.
Potato salad. Potato salad.
Chris, you want to taste the back?
Yeah.
Go and taste the back.
There's a hit. Finally again. Oh man.
Come. Yes, so we have on the water. Nothing added in it yet. We're washing the pineapple skin. Good. So actually boiling them, make it come to perfection to get the flavor out of the pineapple skin. So I'm going to allow that to boil up for at least 20 minutes. Then take out the pineapple skin out of the water.
Yeah. As you can see, my team doesn't take time to roll it.
Yeah man, it's been a while but
Yeah.
we're here, you know?
Yeah, man, we there same way, you know. No joke, a long time in the company, but we there same way. I have to put into it, but remember, like, share, and comment Caribbean cooking vlog, and subscribe to.
Yeah man. Team.
Oh.
Spoke. Acha.
That's a big one. That's right. Yes,
Then
sir.
let me say, I will reach me here, guys. Yeah, guys, we're on the vlog today. Right now, I'm there hungry.
Can't wait to get to that
I
curry
really
lamb
can't live
with
with
the
the
pineapple rice.
Yeah. Not true, yeah, but look, get down in it. Yeah, get down in it.
Yeah, man, the team man, out man.
Oh my word!
Yeah man, Raleigh Junior. Yeah man, big up yourself. Fat boy watching me, can't wait for the pot for lad. Boom. The team out man. I have some visitor pass through same way. Yes man.
Yes, so I'm going to add some onion, purple scallion, bell pepper, another lamb. Just allow it to cook for another minute and then take it off the fire.
Watch lamb people. Curry lamb team world.
So it's a brown. Yeah man. Not too spicy because remember we have kids. Channel.
Mr. Taser is back.
Yes, man.
Yes man.
That's lamb. Can't wait to get tonight.
Ah.
My
Oh
God.
my word.
Oh my word. Mr. Chin is back. Bless up, Caribbean vibes. Flipping the world.
You want to taste one?
I want to taste it.
Holy pin, holy pin, holy pin. How is it?
How it is?
Up to the world. Yes, man.
Good.
Roger.
I know, it's bad though.
Flipping the world peeps. You know, Caribbean vibes to the world. You know, cutting up the pineapple. Put in the rice. Pineapple rice today. Yes.
Can't wait to get tonight.
Get tonight to the lamb.
Oh my word.
Jaja. Long time on the team in the rest.
It's a good look, man.
Oh my God, I was at work.
Yes, bless. You know, man, we know we work, man. You know we work back to school time now.
We'll
So
give
you
that
know,
thanks.
kids have to get their uniform
Yeah.
out to school.
stunting, you know?
Yeah, man.
Well, thanks
So-
much.
so
Peeps, subscribe, like, and share. Tweet in this.
All right.
So, guys, with the water,
Can I get the camera to
let the water meet out. So that when we're ready to eat, the belly is empty.
Alin.
Let's go.
Oh my water come on the stream, man.
Why not? Nasty girl.
You see, afraid of water.
The water cool, man. Water don't cool. Water cool.
Oh, you can see, man, some.
Yeah, so after 30 minutes, I'm going to take out the pineapple skin out of the pots. Yeah, sun come out, time hot, can't wait to done, and you smell the aroma from the pineapple. Ah,
Smoke wicked.
yeah, man. Yeah, and
That's how it go, peeps. Whenever you're using wood fire, it's either you have to carve or you know what it means to carve. It's either your eye burn you, that's how it means to real old Jamaican way. Wood fire.
yeah, and time after time, I always explain, always telling that pineapple are my favorite fruits. So very natural for me using in a rice. We're going to add in some chopped pineapple in the pot. Pineapple rice to the people. So we are going to allow to boil for another 2 minutes and then add in our herbs and spice in a hit. Good to be back, guys, as I was explaining to you all last week. You know, we start off with a bang, so we are going to maintain it. Add in some stick butter. I'm going to add some fermented seed crop. I'm going to season up the pineapple rice, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic. Just add a little bit tomato in it. I'm going to add a little sea salt. So we are going to season and taste. Also going to add just a little bit of all-purpose season. We are going to allow it to boil and then wash the rice and put it in it.
Watch color, peeps. Red, green and gold. Oh my word.
To the flipping world. Caribbean vibes. Yeah, oh my god.
Here's the
Watch
pineapple.
taste, watch taste, man. Taste, man. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Watch it. Fine bite of
Yo,
your
I
hand.
mean, I tell you, I didn't know finish it.
Pineapple.
Don't trust Jonah. I eat that Jonah. Just tell the people to subscribe.
Why subscribe, like, share.
Yes, man.
The one your name Coffee.
Yes, man.
Can't wait to get it.
Where's it?
Look, man. Oh my god. Look at Tessa. Oh my jaja. Put them aside.
Nah, yeah. Why?
Tree time. What are you?
Caribbean vibes, man, in the middle.
You're not dog. Let me catch you alone. Alain, no dance to you know. What?
No, I lie. Stop telling you something. Stop, me start talking because I have video you something. I lie. See the team that they out. Fully active. How that? How that? How that?
Right. Outside, my brother, you know you go. One day, man, skull.
Alright.
That is it.
Fully active.
Just reach for the ground.
Yes, man.
Private part, you know you go.
Yes, man.
There, man.
Ah, Call it dad.
Nah, I said nothing, you know
All
I
right.
think
That
Yes, man. I'll hear a come by the vlog.
In the river. Oh my god. I love it here, girl.
Come on, though.
Another beautiful day, another beautiful one. Caribbean vibe cooking. Oh my word.
Yes, man.
We're here doing it. See that?
Fully
Our
active.
brother Andrew.
Yes,
And
man.
we're out here.
Always.
Okay. Who would miss it is for this.
Where Michael is? Oh my god. Oh Michael is.
Michael not in their funeral, and that's why.
Oh, in their funeral.
Alright, so we have to stay with it.
Brother dog.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Calm on.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Yeah. So we are washing rice, you know?
Right away.
So no time for waste right now.
Yes, no.
So many persons on the vlog, as we always tell you, when you come on the Caribbean Boys Cooking, just expect the unexpected.
Yes, no.
Always are gonna have a lot of people that come through.
Yeah.
Yes, man. We are wash the rice 2 or 3 times. Washing the rice, you know, getting out some of the starch and any dirt in particular that is in the rice that is not supposed to be in it. Wash them out.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fully active.
Yeah, so after washing, drain off the excess water.
Watch colorful rice. Pineapple rice. Can't wait to get in there. This song for the wood and me here would have cry. I want to this. Eh? You know?
So I sit down and you would make one big old knife.
Oh my word. Watch it. Please, go there. Yes.
Come on, go sit down, Bob. Come.
That is June of the smell. Oh,
Sit down on the dog. Show Juna.
and this is company now. Where's this open? Okay. And this is company wood. The wood started nice.
Company team.
And you see started nice.
No, company hood. And it was pop.
You know, the work, we have to do the work in a week.
Yes.
So you know, sir, when it comes to weekend,
Yes.
that's when
Extra work.
extra, what about extra work? So you have to, if Auntie B want you 5 times, 4 times, you have to give it
Saturday night.
Yeah, I have to give her it.
Saturday night.
Saturday night, going to Sunday morning.
Okay. So what about Sunday night?
Sunday night,
Yeah.
you know, Sunday night, still you can
Hard
do it.
work. Let me say normally you hard work on Monday, you know. So
Yeah.
Sunday you have to push it more.
More. So you know, it is weekend, so you have to push out the work. Hard. You have to push out the work for a weekend.
Rasta,
A hard working man like me.
Yes, Rasta.
A hard working man like me, you have to push out the work for a weekend.
Yes, man.
You can't ramp it up.
You never is feeling it's the same thing.
Hard working man, you can't play.
Yes, man. What about us like bumper?
Why? You too man. You can't get it. Flipping man.
Yeah, listen. Listen, I hear what going over there.
So we get the cabbage cut up already. So we get the tomato cut up. So we are going to shred the cucumber.
Yes, bro.
As we tell us, we will give some potato salad with breadfruit. We'll give a little task veg with the curry lamb, with the great pineapple rice. Oh my word! Peeps! Can't wait to get in there. The team are waiting, watch it. The team they are waiting.
Andrew's here.
Yes, man.
Andrew's
So we'll get the veg start out. As you can see, the rice up on the fire steam. But the next 20 to 15 minutes, the rice are ready. So we'll get the veg start out. It's a good look on Sunday evening.
Tall man.
Earlier on, we have a little drizzling to put up the tent. So, yeah, man. As you can see, the rain kind of ease up. So, we have a good fair evening this evening. And the team out, the whole team out. Yeah, man. So, you know what I'm saying?
One team, one dream.
Whenever Caribbean Vibes is in your era, peeps, no care what happen. If I want, then put one tracking device for we. But then find it anywhere we go. Caribbean Vibes still flipping the world. The type of food that we cook. Yes, man.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, man.
The demon skull just ride up come, I'm in heaven. So we're up on the riverside.
Yes, man.
Come on, my friend. 1 minute.
My God.
You see she top on Harris.
Yes, man.
And you see the Mila, look how she thick. Look. Look. Still flipping well. Demons, still flipping well. We there, man. One family.
Long time.
Happy time.
Yes, man.
Yes, sir.
Nothing beat that.
Yeah.
TJ and
Yes, man.
Caribbean vibes.
Yes, man. The team out, man.
when we there, wait,
So we get the
the
carrot.
party. When we there, Bahamas, we never get to see the local party.
Yeah.
I pay a crack company in them. And food stomach not so strong.
The vinegar to the thing, to the vegetable, and a little sugar also.
Yeah, so as I said, China just add some vinegar, we add a little brown sugar. Yeah. Mix up the thing. I don't know how Caribbean vibes do it. Yes, man. As you can see, you ship near if you come ashore, you know. Yeah, man, near. So we can line up. We don't know things yet. And we survive. Remember, say we put the sea in a cooking, you know. Caribbean vibes, they flip it well. Yes, man.
Hey boy, no way you are doing that. Mind water.
Yes, man, the kids gonna have fun, man. You know so. When it comes to Caribbean vibes cooking vlog, it's all about fun. It's all about fun. The kids are having fun. D-man. Cracky. That's my bro. Cracky.
Hey!
Yes, man.
The kids are having fun!
Yeah.
Check the kids them out! That's fresh water.
Watch your man come in the water. They say, man.
They say we're afraid of water. See that?
A what?
In the water.
In the water.
River water. Too.
Fat boy. Big up a dancer.
Yo!
Boss boy. Bossy.
Yo, we are eating.
A what?
Yo, we keep them a boss. They're hungry people, so we have to go deal with it.
Alright, now. The ship come ashore, you know, so I'm going to share the food, you know, because people are hungry. The people are hungry, they're ball.
About 5:30 in the evening.
Alright.
That's typical dinner time now. Yeah, people are my ball. People are my ball. Dinner time. Pineapple rice.
As you can see, peeps, it's a ocha complete. Oh my word. Oh God. Time I get the right pineapple rice. Sure.
The aroma of the rice is so sweet.
I tell you like mommy taste the rice, I tell you brother. The pineapple shot in the rice. Yes man. We do it again man, we do it again. Curry lamb, pineapple rice. Yes man.
Yeah man, as the general dog himself say, ship come ashore.
Good man.
Yes, Sata.
Oh my word. The queen. Oh my word. Yes, man, that's what I think so bad. More gravy she want,
You
more
like when
gravy.
it sprinkle?
Yeah.
You like it wet?
Yes, man, she like when it wet, man.
You stays with a freak.
Took like,
Wait, me, I like it here.
oh,
This is it, man.
yes, man.
And it's my first time eating lamb, guys. Tastes good.
Yes, man.
Alright.
Peeps, good. We tell you, when it comes to Caribbean vibes, we don't have to tell a person which part with it. But to come like they have one chaka power. Yes, man. You have to find it.
Press it.
Boss lady. Oh, my word.
Smells really good. Where about there?
This.
Yeah.
How would it?
Can I have one of the park, please?
Yeah, too bad.
Yes, guys.
If you don't know me as a Rasta, man, vegetable man, you know you go already.
Yes, man. People will man.
Guys, you know what? I smell the lamb, it smells good.
It's been a while since I'm here, and right now I'm here, so the thing is alright. Watch out.
Why food nice, not like good one now.
Lamb.
Too busy, but
Oh my word.
acha, see ya.
Yeah, people, look at I want to the people.
Yeah man, just like, subscribe and share. I think you can do more than what we can do, you see me?
Yes, man. Yes, bro.
Yeah man, king shot.
Whole team. Wanna make it possible.
Yes, brother.
Remember, like, share, subscribe every time. Beat up the notification bell at all times. Pineapple rice.
Tap up your like.
Lamb,
Tap up your
curry
like.
lamb. Look at this dish. Oh my word, you couldn't ask for a
Then
better Sunday dish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Like, share, and subscribe, and beat up the notification bell.
Oh?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Oh.
Elaine, I love you, my baby.
See, try one day.
Yes, man. I shy one for Marley. Watch out. Watch out, clean nearly.
Yeah, one day.
Almost done, guys.
Yes, God.
At the fast you're eating.
Lamb meat. Better than the ram meat. Jaja.
Yes, God.
Breadfruit salad. Jaja, yo. The pineapple rice full of flavor, bro. Solid, bro. Everything compliment Jaja. Yo. The lamb meat shop, bro.
So good look, man.
Solid.
Yeah.
Brother.
Roger.
Yeah, man. Solid, man.
Yes,
Solid,
man. Cool, man. Yes, man.
Hey, bro, I got my food, bro.
Yes, brother.
Oh my God, lamb to the flipping word. I haven't tasted it yet. That is a salad. It's great.
Bro,
Me know say you already pineapple rice. Wonderful. Lamb up. The instant we are eat.
But good, man. You know how Rastafari is.
So I
You require salad or you require vegetable?
Breadfruit salad.
Breadfruit salad.
Wow.
So you flip it
I
up.
love it, bro.
Respect our manners.
Always.
How
Steam.
we say cooking to the world, man. Caribbean vibes. Oh.
Cooking black to the world.
The team. Oh. Big up.
Something right now, may I tell you.
Watch your man. Watch your man. No, sir. Can't believe it.
Me can get something more. Could every pot butter me take it.
Oh, yes, yes, man.
Me take it pot butter.
Alright, let me give you something more fun. Come on.
No problem.
You must say, I love food done. I love every food.
I Jai and the family. See Jai and the family and the team.
I want to say my
Kill him. You see Jai and the family?
Yes.
Nothing can break that.
Yes, man.
One love.
Yes, man. Fully active.
Fully active. To the what?
Alright, see the collective
Flipping
food.
world.
What taste is this?
Guess what I go on? Me a clap again.
Yes,
So
man.
guess what?
Oh,
Caribbean what?
Caribbean vibes. To the flipping world.
To the me not say it.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
This no real. Watch your people. No, sir.
Say one piece that me a guinea pig.
The boss every watch out. A refill again, yo. Refill again. Where's the sata? Where's the sata?
Nah, gonna love you.
Don't, sir. Sata. No, man.
No. Yeah, make that stay.
Tell the honest my peeps, Caribbean vibes to the flipping world. It's been a long time I haven't been on a vlog because of my work, back to school things and all that stuff. Uniform. But today I come on a vlog, believe in me. Yeah, pineapple rice, but it's everything in it. Up and running. The lamb, so great. Thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel. Caribbean vibes, like the flipping world. Rasta behind the camera.
Yes,
Far
man.
over there. Bless yourself.
It's a good look, my family.
Oh, it's been a good look.
Yes, man, always.
When every time I come on the vlog,
Chrissy, boss lady.
yeah, boss lady, wonderful. It doesn't matter. If you take out some of my food, no problem.
Guys,
We can
not
eat
in a
together.
line. The lamb is really good. It actually better than the goat, but me not, I'm not this goat in the butt. The lamb and the pineapple rice,
Breadfruit
the
salad.
breadfruit salad. Nah, please, this is really enjoy.
Dog, this is Steve on
Okay, thief in a one. This is a way really though. Thief out camp food.
Yeah,
But,
Wicked. Police are look for you though.
can't find the governor.
Four in the front.
Food around wanted, dog.
Where's the fat boy?
Pull up.
Good man. It's a good look though.
Pineapple rice, but the first time I ate it.
Yes,
Nah,
man.
I like.
Yes, man. Team active. I wish say fully active, no, man. Watch out. Watch out. I check out. Look up and look. If I lick you clean. What you mean, man?
Dog, leave me alone.
Yeah man, big up guys. Remember when I started this YouTube channel back in just when COVID just hit the world. And like I never even expect the channel that even get so much love. You know, but it's a joy just to see a lot of person reaction when they come on to the food. You know, and I really love the reaction when they come on to the food. And it's just that, like, words can't express how much I love everybody. Dog, Chinaman, Chrissy, Cam, Brina, Nadisha, my nephew. You know.
It's a good look, man.
Two of my belly full up.
Yes.
Look here. And the plate.
Yeah, lick out all the plate. Yo, my word.
Anyway, in next location, no the demons gonna find that location.
Yes, sir.
Belly can't full now, but
Yeah.
a tree. A two no, but a tree.
Yeah.
I love this.
Respect our
So how this food is good? I ate 2 plates.
Yes.
See, this is my second plate right here.
Okay.
Yes, man, it's a good look, man.
What, my brother? It's nice, not true?
Oh, my word. Watch out.
Alright, my brother, show them what is going on.
Oh, my word. Where's the top now?
Nice.
Oh! Peeps, we don't miss the cameraman. He's here. Yeah, that's the cameraman. He just come. The cameraman just walk. Yes, man, it's a good look, man. People, this man resemble the cameraman. Bless myself, bro.
Yeah, bless myself. Yeah, bro, Jim. Good work.
Yeah.
Bro, it's crazy, like the food lit this week, like see there, a pot bottom, the gone in it, really? Crazy, every time first in a while we vlog and everything done, like it's crazy, like God is love and God is good.
All the time.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
man.
man, it's a
God bless
joy,
you, man.
as I was explaining how the channel start.
Yeah.
And how the channel is going. It's a joy to me to see the unification within us as a black people when it come on to cooking. Not only am I cooking Jamaican food on a different level, but just the love that we have for each other on this channel.
Yeah.
Likewise, like, comment, share, subscribe. Boom.
Yes,
See you in
man.
our next video, man.
Yes, man. See you in the next video. Oh. Yes, my peeps, it's a good look. Blessed good evening. And I can see it. I have to explain because people don't have experience. But this is the pineapple rice. Oh my word.
Yeah, what man over there said iPad. Yeah. Watch out.
Yo, pineapple rice. My thing.
Watch out.
Yo.
People, look what I'm doing on iPad.
It's the best part of rice.
All the nutrients.
Oh my word.
All the way no miss me again.
Me get some.
Around this week.
So peeps, remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment too.
Hit on the notification bell as well.
Good day, man. See you in the next video. We are going to Barra. Pick up on yourself.
That's good.
Yeah, as me I say, I didn't late because I'm there in my water, so by the time I come out, you there shoot video gone, so I didn't late. They are wash up the thing them same way, you know? Yeah.
After.
Nah, like food. Boy, I want a second round, but I can't get one second round because the man they gone with.
Alright.
Can't get nothing out of not even two out of meat pots of stay, so no. Everything shell.
Yes, man.
Nah, like.
It's a good look, man.
And remember to like, share, subscribe, follow. Remember the man, Caribbean cooking vibe, cooking vlog. Remember good no man.
Yes, man.
Which is right, out there.
What president today?
Only 58.
Why not we see the president part I front and the time limit?
Give me a little more. Shampoo.